Happy Amazon Prime Day. I've got some travel items for you. You're going to see the must-have items from Amazon that I have chosen for you based on my experience as a pilot's wife. The important part is I'm going to tell you the feature that is needed for travel. The number one travel essential from Amazon Prime is this lanyard necklace. It is RFID blocking, so a thief cannot use the technology that skims your personal information. In Greece, we had to have our actual passport when we got off of our ship. It hangs under your clothing. You're not going to reach for anything while you're traveling, especially in a really crowded area. Divide your credit cards in case one gets stolen. The number two travel essential is a sock with a hidden pocket in it to prevent theft from a pickpocket. You've already divided your credit cards, and this will just hold one credit card and maybe some dollar bills or euro cash bills. Number three can help protect your personal information while traveling. This set is for all different size plugs or ports that you would charge your phone in a hotel room or even worse, an airport, because those public ports that fit that end of your charging phone cord can be juice jacked, or your personal information can be hacked from those public sources. So number one, always use the block and plug it into the wall, even in the hotel room, or add one of these to the shape of the end of your port. This is what I did in Amsterdam when my flight got canceled and I had to stay the night in the hotel. It blocks any data from being hacked. The number four travel essential is a fun one for the airplane. You can get the little travel case that would attach to your backpack, but after airport security, you're going to move this mist that is antibacterial. It almost dries instantly when you spray it on your hands. The one feature is that it is not goopy. It's not sticky. I never have liked antibacterial gel. Number five is for walking all day during your travels. I love these arch support inserts that never flatten. That's the feature that makes them perfect for travel. You can also cut them to your width or length. My travel tip is to get the high arch because it does not hurt, it does not poke, but always test them out. The next item is waterproof sneakers with arch support with the hugging feature, giving you a solid step, and they're waterproof, very comfortable. These are name brand items on Amazon that you cannot find in some stores, all right? These are the half calf boots that are waterproof for travel. The sole is rugged for walking on slick, cobbled streets maybe. Walking up steps, they're very comfortable. They're true to size. In the ... more paragraph, I'll put all of the links and have TTS, that means true to size. These boots are actually sneakers and they are water repellent. They are so incredibly comfortable. I would size down half a size. It's easy to zip up and it's easy to get your foot in. Like they just slide in very easily. Look at that rugged sole for travel. And this is on Amazon. And my ultra comfortable sneaker boot can be used at a ski resort if there is snow. It gives you a really rugged sole. They really feel like a sneaker, especially if you're going to a Christmas market trip. Number six is 3 different pants that have very important travel features for you. There are 2 reasons why these pants are great for travel outfits. These are not going to cling if number 1, you wear leggings or thermals underneath it, and number 2, putting on compression socks. These wide leg trousers come in 3 different lengths from Amazon, and they have tummy control. It's a Spanx-like fabric, very flattering and flowing, but not too long. The next 2 pants are water repellent. These have a tapered ankle closure, which I like for the lavatory and the airplane. They come in 3 different lengths, an elastic waist, and they're water resistant. Okay, so the next ones are like hiking type pants that come in 3 different lengths, but they are loose and straight at the bottom, while you can cinch them as well, and they're water repellent. For your flight, the number 7 travel essentials are really helpful. My husband, who is a pilot, he uses this Anchor portable charger to charge his cell phone, like during a long flight or at the end of a long flight. Or if you are touring in a bus on a river cruise trip, it monitors the heat while you are charging. So if it gets too hot, it'll turn it off, but it never even gets warm. Mine is this pink one, but it also comes in different colors, which he always steals from me. But it has a little cord that you can plug into your phone. They are both magnetic, but here's what you need to know. If you are using mine that has a phone prop, so you're watching your show while it's propped on the tray table, you can tap the little button on the side twice and it will make it stop charging. So you can still have that magnetic phone prop without having to pack your phone prop and it not charge your phone. But mine has not even ever gotten warm because it charges your phone so fast. These, I mention them all the time. The travel set of these waterproof, stretchy bandages. They are magical. If you even think you might get a blister, they are fantastic. I just take them in my little travel essential from Amazon bags for easy travel. You get like 35 in the set. One frequently asked question is, what do I do with souvenirs? The food and the memories and photos are my souvenirs, but this is what people do. This is a day pack that is very lightweight, no structure. The straps are almost paper thin, but very comfortable. You would put your souvenirs in here and it's easy to wear it on the front of your body, especially if you're walking through a tourist pickpocket area. And you can hose it out if you get Christmas market mugs. Do not miss my new Christmas market travel tip video. I'll have it in the ... more paragraph too. You may have missed this item. This is a tracker for your wallet. So it fits inside your wallet. And if your wallet got stolen with your purse, then you would be able to track it. I have taken these sleeves on girls' trips. If I'm going like sailing or snorkeling or something, it just fits in my fanny pack. It's easy to just take one card. This jewelry case is a new find for me. I like it for travel because the feature from Amazon is that it does not have to be folded. It can be packed completely flat, not taking up a lot of space. There's a little clip up here for the start of your necklace and you can thread it through the little loops if you need to. There's the extra pocket down here and it's like this velvet fabric. This is something I bought. Absolutely beautiful. Do not be deceived. This will hold so many earrings and cocktail rings. But it's so pretty and can just slide right into the empty pockets of space in your luggage. I want you to notice my newest backpack. I absolutely love this one. Notice that it's very similar to my popular gray one, but this one has an extra easily accessible pocket when you're going through airport security at the top and the bottom. But you can also have the pockets on the inside as well. And you can fit a Stanley in this one as well. I have to mention the very best carry-on luggage ever. Best wheels, not wobbly. The handle does not jiggle. I always forget to mention my earrings. They just add a little pizzazz. They're easy to put on. The little back is wide and circular. All of the links are going to be in the ... more paragraph. I will try to upload another one on the last day of the Prime sale with any that I have forgotten. Thanks for your time and have such a magical time shopping.